To reactivate your DoorDash Dasher account in 2025, start by checking the reason for deactivation. If your account was deactivated due to inactivity, you can simply log into your account and start accepting deliveries again. However, if your account was deactivated due to a violation of DoorDash's terms of service, you will need to contact DoorDash support to resolve the issue. First, open the DoorDash Dasher app and log into your account. If you are unable to log in, try resetting your password. Once you are logged in, check your account status to see if there are any issues that need to be resolved. If your account is still deactivated, contact DoorDash support through the app or by visiting their website. You can do this by navigating to the Help section of the app and clicking on Contact Support. You will be prompted to enter your email address and a description of the issue you are experiencing. When contacting DoorDash support, be sure to provide as much information as possible about the issue you are experiencing. This will help the support team to quickly and efficiently resolve the issue and reactivate your account. In some cases, you may be required to provide identification or other documentation to verify your identity and reactivate your account. Be sure to follow the instructions provided by the support team and provide any requested information promptly. Once your account has been reactivated, be sure to review DoorDash's terms of service to ensure you understand the rules and expectations. For Dashers, this will help you to avoid any future issues and ensure that your account remains active. By following these steps, you should be able to reactivate your DoorDash Dasher account in 2025. Remember to always follow the rules and guidelines set by DoorDash to ensure a positive experience for yourself and your customers.